Welcome. So today we're going to go over how to replace your license plate lights on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. They're right above in here, but we got to get access to them by popping the trunk. So we're going to pop the trunk. Right. So right up here is the electrical connector, and we just twist it downward or counterclockwise. You get it out, and then you just pull the light bulb out like that. Pull the light bulb out from the connector. Then to replace it, you get your new one, and you just do the same in reverse. Just push it in, it'll snap into place, and then you'll put it back up in here. Just line the tabs up in there, and then just push it up in, and it'll lock into place. And that's how you replace your license plate light on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. Thanks for watching.